One of the joys of cruising is sharing the food that you find in all the different places that you go. So today, on board Totem, we've got another cruising dinner courtesy of Puerto Rico.
In Puerto Rico, yeah, when we stopped through Puerto Rico and we had mofongo. And it's fantastic. I can't believe we did not have mofongo in our lives before, so that's what we carry forward from Puerto Rico.
Hi, I'm Nica Waters.
And I'm Ian Gifford.
And welcome to Tasty Thursday. Today we're making mofongo, courtesy of Sailing Vessel Totem and the island of Puerto Rico, and a haul of plantains from a Guna canoe that came out to the anchorage in the San Blas Islands the other day.
In Panama.
In Panama. Fry up some bacon bits or chorizo or lard bits or whatever you happen to have on hand. Want a little bit of that pork goodness in there. Yum, yum.
Crispy, cured, salty pork.
Yum, yum, yum. Come around that way so I can... We need to add any more of that. We definitely need to add salt. I'm going to grab your tablespoon. Take a spoonful and squish it. We're making little pancakes.
Maybe we do 2 at a time.
Yeah, I think so. Get a third one in there. Why not? Real estate. Basically, it's kind of like mashed potato patties, but it's plantain. So I'm going to start with another couple of mofongo patties. Woo! Woo-hoo! Sure, it looks like I've just had a really good crack.
It's better to... It's a mix.
I'm supposed to have it with the chicken.
What is the bacon made
And
of?
how is it?
Heavenly.
It's the plantain.
Heavenly.
Yeah.
Good answer. So there you have it, mofongo, Totem style. Because really what you do with food is you figure out how to make it work for you and then you have it go. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, tag a friend if you think should see it, share it with somebody who loves lots of different kinds of pancakes with stuff on top of them and trying different things. And don't forget to follow sailingtotem.com. They're awesome. And don't forget to subscribe to Tasty Thursday because every Thursday, one of these totally amazing, totally easy, and you totally can do it yourself recipes comes out. I hope you have the most spectacular week. Hi, Jag. Because I'm really sad because we're leaving Totem in 2 days. So excited about that. Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. Whoops, let's do that again. I'll do hi, I'm Nica Waters, and you can do hi, I'm Being Gifford, and then we'll see if we can do it in stereo.
Welcome to Tasty Thursday.
Welcome to Tasty Thursday, right?